Here is this week's Yupik word of the week.
Aliimatek.
Aliimatek mittens.
Aliimatek.
Aliimatek mittens.
Mamtulganik aliimatnik atlachtugut snukurakamta unatput puqlatsqluki.
Mamtulganik aliimatngak atlachtugut snukurakamta unatput puqlatsqluki. We wear thick mittens to keep our hands warm while riding the snow machine.
Aliimatek.
Aliimatek mittens.
Aliimatek.
Aliimatek mittens.
Thank you for participating with KYUK's Yupik word of the week.
Yupik Word of the Week is supported by Grant Aviation.